Hi guys, now in this video I'll be showing you an amazing AI restaurant management system. This is a smart solution that comes with offline POS in the sense that people can buy, can order without online coming to your working customers, and also it has voice ordering, powerful analytics that help restaurants owners manage orders, inventory, and customer more effective. So if you are looking to launch or upgrade the restaurant system with modern AI features, this is definitely something you can check out. And if you want the full installation and setup done for you, you can contact me via the details on the screen or in the description, and I'll help you set up everything for an affordable fee. Now let's get right to it. Let me show you just how the demo looks like. Now this is the POS I mentioned now, point of sale, where for working customers, in case they don't want to, you don't want to book it online. So where you take orders is where you take orders, kitchen display, menu. You can also set tables. People buy tables. You can know tables are available for reservation, tables that have been taken. You can all of this dashboard. So once it has been taken, you will know the tables that are very free. Each table sometimes get 4 seats, 5 seats. So all of the tables that have been taken, this is where you can implement it with your own staff and team. And you can set up reservation, you can set up customers. Reservation where you reserve a table for customers. Customers is where people that came in with their details, when they take orders, you can keep their information to send campaign, and you can check the inventories, how the money, how the income has been coming in, how you have been ordering, taking the orders, and AI insights, AI assistants, analytics, everything. So this will job for you, and you can also calculate your revenue on daily basis, and how you're making your orders on daily basis, and how to know what is spending in the kitchen, what you have in the kitchen, to also, this is a dashboard that can help you keep a loop of what's going on in the system. And if people are taking order, this is point of sale. If you go to restaurants like Chicken Republic, Mr. Biggs, you see a display screen that they will take orders from there. So that POS is where people come in, take order, and it registers automatically on the system for you to track what people are ordering from your restaurant. So if you need this, like I said, contact me via the on the screen or in the description, and I'll help you set up everything for an affordable fee. And I'll see you in my next video. Like this video, subscribe for more. Bye.